Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Dentcoin. This video is going to be very interesting, very important video for all Dentcoin holders because in this video I'm going to share the latest update of the Dentcoin with all of you. So keep watching this video complete, and before starting this video, please also click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. My friends, the currently latest price of the Dent coin in the market is 0.002332 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Dent coin in the market. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Dent coin, so now the last 1 hour change is positive, the last 1 day change is negative. Just my friends, the yesterday, only the yesterday changes occur in the Dent coin is negative, except after yesterday the previous last 1 week change is also positive, but my friends, unfortunately the yesterday is the falling day of the Dent coin. But now don't worry, the latest situation of the Dent coin is again positive, so that's why I'm feeling good. Anyways, you can see it from the price chart. It's also clear that in a previous time it is last 2 hour update, but in the first hour the price jumps, but in the last hour the price again start explosion, and gradually slowly the price of the Dentcoin also start increasing, and I hope that they will continue this pump for a long time. The change is negative 0.39% in the last 2 hours, 0.000234 USD dollar. That is the highest price of the Dentcoin in the last 2 hours. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.